Welcome to my DIY paint shaker video. Please like and subscribe. Okay, I need to make a paint shaker. I need to shake this paint up. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not. I drilled a hole in a blade. And you're like, oh my god, it's a hard blade. No, do you see the discoloration around the outside? See the discoloration around the outside? That's where it's been heat treated. The center's still soft because they need the blade to be flexible. If this whole thing was hard, induction hardening. If the whole thing was hard, when I flex the blade a small amount, it would snap. Although I drilled a hole in there, this blade's perfectly good. I can keep using it. It's a very tough blade. It's a good blade. Probably didn't do anything good for the set of the blade, but I'm okay with that. Oh, awesome. That's going to require a minute or two more on the shaker. If you've watched this far, please tell me that you understood this was a joke. If you had any fun out of this, please like and subscribe.